I was watching some of the enhanced versions of the video that you took, Montagraph, and if we change this to full screen and we watch it, you can see where the shape changes, and you can almost see wings flapping, like right here. You can see that it's not round here. You can see a tail, you can see wings. Let's back it up. But if you look close, it's almost like you can see the wings flapping. And right there, it's not round right there. You can almost see the wings. I think it's a bird. I think it's a big ass bird, but I think it's a bird. But who knows? It could be anything. But I hope it's a bird. I hope.